Good morning, children. Welcome back to Learning Social Science. Now let us try to discuss the first chapter on equality in your civics textbook. Children, please see the picture given on the left side. You had studied about universal adult franchise last year. It means the right to vote for all adults. May I repeat? For all, both men and women, irrespective of color of skin, physical condition, economic position, educational qualification, etc. Now let us try to see what you are going to study on equality, the first chapter in your civics textbook. We are going to study about the critical role of equality in Indian democracy. Daily lives of people in India are far away from equality. You can see it from the picture. Some children go to school, whereas another poor boy is carrying bricks. We want to discuss the need for equality by highlighting the inequality that continue to be practiced and experienced by various communities in India. Our governments are playing an important role in passing laws and instituting policies with commitment to alleviation of existing inequality. Let us try to learn in detail. You see Kanda now. She works as housemaid in a rich family. Once her daughter became sick. When she took her daughter to hospital, she experienced inequality there. She lives in a slum in the city. In some walks of life, equality is ensured, but equality is not ensured in all walks of life. Now let us try to see one walk of life where equality is ensured. What do you see here? Some women are standing in a queue with one card with all of them. These cards are the voter identity cards. All these women have come to vote in an election. It shows that all people, irrespective of age, if they are above 18 years of age, they can vote. All people, irrespective of economic position, color of skin, physical condition, educational qualification, are entitled to vote in India. So, equality is ensured while conducting elections in India. We saw that equality is ensured in Indian democracy while conducting elections. But people of India experience inequality in different ways. One of the most common forms of inequality in India is the caste system. People experience it especially in rural India. And see, Dalit is a term used by lower caste to address themselves. The word means broken. It shows how seriously Dalit people are discriminated against. Shekhar Gupta is a very senior journalist in India. You see a photo now. You can see that a maid was asked to sit on the floor. She was not allowed to sit with her employer and her child, even though they are traveling in a fairly empty metro coach, in a train. So what does it show? Class differences are there. And this shows that how people treat their domestic workers. This was reported by Shekhar Gupta on 22nd January 2018. This is the cover of Om Prakash Valmiki's book Chuthan, in which he tells us about his experiences of growing up as a Dalit boy. Om Prakash Valmiki was discriminated by school teachers and his classmates when he was studying in school. He was asked to sit behind everybody in the class, sometimes that too on the floor. He was asked to see the school and the playground. We also learn about a couple who tried to get an apartment for rent in an Indian city. They found it very difficult to find an apartment for rent because they were eating meat. House owner was not ready to give house for rent to people who eat meat. In this way, the people of India are discriminated against. Hope that things are clear. Let us revise. What do we mean by universal adult franchise? What is the name of autobiography of Om Prakash Valmiki? Here is a question for you. The 61st Amendment of the Constitution of India, officially known as the Constitution 61st Amendment Act 1988, lowered the voting age of elections to the Lok Sabha and to the legislative assemblies of states from 21 years to 18 years. This was done by amending which article of the Indian Constitution? Please send answer of this question to the number which is given below in WhatsApp. Those who are answering first will be rewarded. But see, it is not based on just answering this question. In the coming days also, till we finish teaching this lesson, questions will come like this. So at the end of all, we will check how many of you have done it, and within how many hours of sharing the questions with you have answered it. Based on those things, the child who performs in the best way will be rewarded. Thank you.